A study conducted at a certain college shows that 65% of a school's graduates find a job in their chosen field a year after graduation. Find the probability that 11 randomly selected graduates all find jobs in their chosen field within a year of graduating. Okay, so first, is this independent or dependent? So Joe, Bob, and Sally all graduated from this college. Does Joe getting a job and Sally getting a job have anything to do with each other? Not really. Yes, they have the same degree. That means they have the same probability of getting a job based on that degree's name, that college's name. But it doesn't really, Joe getting that job doesn't get Sally a job, unless there's something else going on there they haven't told us about. So that means this is independent. So what that means is each one is 65%. It doesn't change from person to person. So all I actually have to do is do 65%, so 0.65, times itself 11 times, which I can do by doing 0.65, and then I can do it to the 11th power. So this 0.00875 is my answer, and so then I round to my 3 decimal places, and there's my answer. The big thing to make sure when you're doing this type of problems is pay attention to independence or dependence. There will be some stuff that are dependent and you will need to change each value as you go. For instance, if you have a deck of playing cards and you pull an ace. This was the example in the book. So in my notes, it was 4 out of 52. But after I pull that first ace, if I don't shuffle it back in, then my second draw, I now only have 3 aces and I only have 51 cards. So you have to think about when I pull something, does that affect my next event? Because if it does, then I will need to adjust my probability each time. If it doesn't, for instance, rolling a die, each time I roll a die, nothing changes, right? So then that way, I can simply just multiply them. I can use exponents, no extra work. So make sure you're paying attention to how each one affects each other.